Baby, we have the t-shirts back in stock, my darlings. What is delayed is not denied. We have it in blue. Since you loved it so very much indeed, my darlings, you better go ahead and get your t-shirt before it sells out, because I just might go ahead and do a yellow t-shirt for you and an orange t-shirt. You have to bear in mind, Baby Girl is a small brand. We are self-funding here, so I can only do so much. But yes, the t-shirt is back and I am living and loving. I also have a surprise for you. Yes. You asked and I said, why not? We have brought the black t-shirt back. What is delayed is not denied. Are we living and loving? Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? Baby, when I tell you, I am so happy. My screen. Wait, hold on. Let me see what's happening here. Let me just do... Oh, my screen. There we go. There we go. I am so happy. I am so happy. You don't even know. Okay, let me tell you, what am I wearing? I am wearing Gingham Doll. Are we living and loving? It's a beautiful top. Let me get up and show you. Let me turn it around. Are we living and loving? I love the color. And then look, it's kind of open here. So I thought, why not? It's kind of cute. And then I'm just wearing a simple black skirt that I have had for years. It's a lovely black skirt. And then this is the back of it. It has like a slit. I really love it, you know, for court appearances and the like. Okay, Fumi, so why are you here? I am so happy. Remember, I think a week or 2 weeks ago, I had talked about the update of the Shanquella Robinson case. And we had Daejhanae Jackson, who is now known as Emani Green, and she was just trying to evade the law. Well, all 6 of them, but Emani Green was the one that really put her hands, from what we could see in this horrific video. Well, guess what? Emani Green has been denied to have the lawsuit dismissed. What does that mean? It means homegirl is going to court. And finally, we will get her in court and we will get and pin her down and the total Cabo 6. Listen to this.
A judge is denying a woman's request to be removed from a wrongful death lawsuit. So this case now is tied to the 2022 death of Shanquella Robinson, a Charlotte woman who died while vacationing in Mexico. So her death made international headlines after disturbing video showed Robinson being assaulted while on that trip. Her family later filed a lawsuit against the 6 people Robinson traveled with. So one of the group members, who has now since changed her name, attempted to get the lawsuit dismissed. Records now show that request was denied. That's the latest in this case. Let's talk about it now with Chief Legal Analyst Clive Rhodes. Clive, so when you look at this, a name change, first of all, it's in the records what her old name was, her new name now. The judge now denied Emani Green's request to be dismissed from this lawsuit. Kind of where does this stand and what does this say about this case?
Most lawsuits that are filed, this is the normal process. You file a complaint, the other side's going to file an answer, and attached to the answer is going to be a motion to dismiss. So that's typical lawyering, exactly what you want to have. When you file a motion to dismiss, specifically a 12B6 motion, this is saying that they have failed the stated claim, which relief can be sought, and the court is not actually weighing the evidence. It's not trying to determine who's telling the truth. They're only saying, hey, inside of your complaint, in the 4 corners of this document, have you drafted this complaint in a way that connects with the law? And is it a complaint where we can give you some type of relief? If the answer is no, they're going to dismiss the complaint. If the answer is yes, then ultimately the court will deny it and the case will continue to go forward. But most cases die at this moment. They sit at this motion for 12B6 dismissal stage, and defendants are successful in getting them dismissed because alleging and being able to state that something occurred and being able to connect facts and the law to those things are something totally different.
All right, I'm going to go back to this name change, though, because we don't know why she changed her name. But my thing is, I know that 2 + 2 = 4. So if you try and change your name, does that then take away your charges in any way? I mean, just so people can understand, you change your name, doesn't mean the case goes away, right?
No, this is probably more to just outside of the court of actual court, but in the court of public opinion. You're trying to make sure that you can live your life and not deal with the secondary consequences that come with being connected to a civil case involving a wrongful death. You're not talking about a criminal complaint. They went through this and recognized that there was not enough information there to be able to charge these folks, but still having your name connected to when anyone searches for it online to say, hey, your name pops up, wrongful death suit. You don't want that, so you change your name to distance yourself from that. But no, it won't remove the charges. The charges will still be, I should say, the complaint will still be connected to you.
And your social security number. Okay, so now that she is now remaining as a defendant, what are the next major steps in this case?
The discovery process takes a long time. I tell folks all the time, litigation is long, litigation is expensive. So you're going through litigation, discovery is key. Interrogatories, depositions, you're waiting to answer a lot of questions so if you actually get to a hearing, to a trial, both sides, plaintiffs and defendants, be prepared to go to trial. You can't prepare if you don't go through the discovery process. So it'll be a lot more sitting down, a lot more interviews, a lot more discussion, a lot more written responses to questions, and then ultimately either side will come together and say, yes, we can agree with some type of settlement, or no, we're going to trial. So a lot more waiting on both sides and a lot more reading and writing.
All right, this is a civil case. It's not a criminal case. So
right.
I know you've explained the differences before, but what needs to happen specifically? And, you know, what needs to be proven?
Well, the standard in a criminal case is a reasonable doubt, right? Mm-hmm. The standard in a civil case is preponderance of the evidence. So you're talking about two different standards. Now, both of them are higher standards, but they're not as high. The civil standard is nowhere near as high as a criminal case. And so that is proving a case beyond a reasonable doubt is extremely hard. You have to get everyone on that same page to be able to agree that there's not even a doubt, I should say a reasonable doubt, that this occurred or didn't occur. Preponderance of the evidence is significantly lower. But again, that's if it gets to jury trial, which if I'm looking at this and I'm having a crystal ball, I doubt that this one goes to a jury trial.
All right, Kali Frodes, appreciate your insight. Thank you.
It means that, you know what? Daejhanae Jackson is in trouble. I tell you why. Because we saw her on the video. Because we saw her assaulting Shanquella Robinson. Because if we can get Daejhanae Jackson, we're going to get the other 5. Because Daejhanae is going to squirm. She's going to try and get out of this. Because she has no morals, no code. And in so doing, we're going to finally get justice. Just because it's a civil trial does not mean anything. It doesn't mean anything. Let's go to court. It takes a lot of money. She ain't got it. She ain't got it. She's going to try and settle. I trust Shanquella's mama. She's not going to settle. She would be advised not to go to trial. But Daejhanae doesn't have the money. So they will go to trial. And from there, we are going to hopefully find out everything that happened to Shanquella. Shanquella's mother and father, God bless you. This has been a very long road for you. I celebrate you so much. I don't want to cry. It's happy tears. It really is happy tears. Shanquella, wherever you are, you have a wonderful family. The way that your mother has been fighting for you, for justice for you. My God. I am so emotional. I'm so emotional and I don't even know the child. I'm just emotional because when you hear this, after so much that has been going on, after this journey that this family has gone through, just this little win, we're not done yet. Just this little win, it means so much. It means so much for this girl. It means so much for the family. Their lives stopped when she got that phone call, and she has been fighting relentlessly for justice. Oh, I'm so happy. I am so happy. Do not forget to like, to subscribe. I'm so happy. And I'm not thinking. What did I say? Don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I will see you sooner than later. God bless us all. It's a good day. Mwah.
This city has a special morning voice. Speaks to me through an open window, masquerading as noise. 10 million people waking up, and somehow I'm the lucky guy who gets to make you a coffee cup. And if I ever forget what matters most, if I am giving up the ghost, remind me, babe, and I will do my best to recall. And if I stumble and fall, if I make a mess of it all, remind me, babe, and I will do my best to recall.
Hi guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking.
Coming in hot with the Juvia's Place blushed duos, darling, for that transition blurred blush. Put it underneath your eyes. From there you go onto the apples of your cheeks, and it is so gorgeous, it's so gentle on you. And then you go in with the deeper shade, and this is where the magic comes. You bring this all the way up to the temples of your face. It's like a mini facelift. I absolutely live and love. Darlings, you have to grab it. You have to have it. You can use it on your eyes as well. Put a little bit of Juvia's highlighter. Then you go in with the Juvia's setting spray. Keep that all day glamorous, from work to dinner to drinks. Darling, you are the epitome of glamour. Thank you, Juvia's Place. The duos are a what? They're a must-have. Mwah. Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? Some of you might know when I started having my meet and greets, the first meet and greet that I ever had was at OPV Beauty's Beauty Salon. And I have loved their products. I have loved their brand ever since. Anyway, my darlings, we have for OPV Beauty your portable beauty stand where you can put all of your makeup and all of your stuff together. It's like a roll-on suitcase, and it's the most beautiful color. It's a wonderful rose gold pink. So you just take it up like this and you can just roll it out. It's so perfect when you're traveling. It's so perfect when you're going for your events and stuff. You just have it like so. Put it on a chair. You're good to go. So let us open it. And please do not forget, my darlings, to use my discount code. Oh, look at the sensationalism of it all. A mirror here. And then, my darlings, just look. It lifts out and you have your makeup tray over here. Is this not gorgeous? Look at how fabulous this is. And then you have a tray here where you can put in all of your lipsticks. I am living and loving. You can put in your makeup brushes, and then look at this fabulous vanity brush, of which you can use for your foundation. and smooth it over. I really wanted to display it for you and see how it looks so that you guys can go to their website and get it. It was £600. It's now what? So you have to absolutely what? Go and get yours. All of my loves, my darlings, and I hope you enjoy your treat. Don't forget to use Fumi all across the website at OPV Beauty. Mwah! All of my love.